Vayo Malati biography, career, education. Dr. Vayo Malati is an entrepreneur as well as a public policy and development planning specialist. Having served 2 terms as International Women's Forum USA, Vayo has now joined the global board as a director. She is serving her 2nd term as a member of South Africa's National Planning Commission 2010 to 2020. She formed part of the team that released the National Development Plan, adopted as the National Strategic Framework by Cabinet and Parliament in 2012. Vayo also served as the deputy chair of the Integrated Urban Development Framework IUDF panel of experts. She is now the chair of the Bee Tourism Transformation Council. As a social entrepreneur and co-owner of African Financial Group, Vayo initiated and facilitated various value chain-based transactions. These include resource-based industries and recently Vili Laboya Wool Processing Hub in Butterworth, and the acquisition of a pay-TV license Yaya TV, where she is the shareholder and board chair. She holds a PhD from the University of Stellenbosch. Her thesis focused on the role of value chains in mainstreaming rural entrepreneurs into global markets, and was the only one selected by the Faculty of Economic and Management Sciences to be presented at the university's inaugural New Voices in Science colloquium. She obtained her MSc from the UK London School of Economics. On 28 October 2014, Dr. Vayo Malati received the Mail and Guardian, Southern Africa Trust Individual Award for Drivers of Change. The judges of this award commented that President of the International Women's Forum of South Africa and entrepreneur typifies the idea of an African Renaissance woman. While working both practically and intellectually in urban development, poverty reduction, gender equality, and policy implementation spheres, she is still committed to the ethos of Ubuntu and care. Her humility and a keen grasp of economic and development issues at the micro and macro levels make her one of Africa's most persuasive young leaders. Vayo Malati career. In September 2013, she was appointed to serve as the deputy chair of the State Information Technology Agency. She served 2 terms as the chairperson of the South African Post Office Board of Directors, where she led the corporatization strategy from traditional to digital business in the mail, logistics, and banking. She also served 2 terms on the Financial Markets Advisory Board and was a member of the Financial Services Board Licensing Committee. In addition, she served as the director of the Alexkor Mining Board and the fund manager of Mbono Capital, now OneStone. She was the non-executive director of Lion of Africa Insurance Company, a subsidiary of the Brimstone Investment Company, one of the Johannesburg Stock Exchange companies. She was also the principal consultant and co-owner of the African Financial Group. She founded Africa's first indigenous wool processing plant in Butterworth, in the Eastern Cape, where she taught unemployed people how to make cashmere garments. Vayo Malati education. She trained as a policy specialist at the London School of Economics in the United Kingdom. She held a PhD from Stellenbosch University.